Do you want a burger as big as your head and will cause your booty on fire? Then watch this video. Are you ready for it? Yogurt, milk, sriracha, 1 egg, smoky sweet paprika, garlic powder, a jajam leviosa, chicken breast. Heat your meat so it's nice and even. Pick it up, drop. Marinate for as long as you can. Why he looks like me? Flour, chili powder, paprika, garlic, mask up, and mix. Water, ketchup, hot sauce. Then melt in the microwave. Hot sauce, mayo, garlic. Mix. Cabbage, onions, pickle juice, salt, sugar. Clean hands, scrunch. Something from this goes into this. That's gonna give us those lovely crispy bits. Out, in. That's a big boy. Brioche bun. Sprinkle with chili flakes. Chili on chili on chili. That's what I want. Chili side down. You toast them. I'm scared. Fry until beautiful golden brown and crisp. It's okay, don't cry, it's okay. My favorite song. Toast. Bun, sauce, salad, the huge monster, cheese, few pickles, bun, sauce, and the finale. Garnish with chili flake. That was the ultimate buffalo chicken burger.